All right, look at the top right screen. This is on October 8th at 1:45 a.m. Somebody's running into a driveway. Hope they're okay. Oh, keep an eye up there. Oh, he went car to car. He's checking doors. That's exactly what he's doing. He checked that door right there. Now he's going across the street, checking the doors, and boom. He got himself an unlocked car. He's in there, and this is fast forwarded. He's not moving that quick, but he's just door to door, car to car, found one unlocked across the street. Does what he does. Boom, goes around, checks the next car. So this guy's an opportunist. He's just seeing, who gets caught slipping. Oh, you coming my way? Oh, shoot. Oh, man, no, not over here. Whoa, where are you going? Oh, he's hiding from that car. Turn the block. Smart kid. Okay, well, check that. Nope, lock. What's in there? Nothing. And I forgot to lock my damn truck. Ain't that a... Anyways, so he's in there. He's in the center console. Looks like he's just taking everything out, checking the door, doing everything he's doing. What's in his... Oh, you can see the shadow. He's got something, but... Like, man, I got, y'all. He's just going through it all. Center console. What's this? What's that? Everything. I got a whole bunch of little random stuff, but... Oh, I have a lot of sunglasses, too. Oakley's, Prada, Guess, whatever. I can't believe this happened. Boom, and I thought he was done. Nope, he's checking other doors. See the other side of the truck. Moves my stuff. I had some shirts right there. He's looking down. Now he's in my glove compartment. I got nothing but pens in there and just random stuff. But he's still looking around. I got stuff on the floor. Oh, yep. He grabbed a little something there. Come to find out the next morning, I had left my JBL Charge 3 speaker in there. That's $120 now because it's older, but it thing cost $160 when I got it. Now he's in the back seat. I'm like, damn it. I left my tablet back there. So, moral of all this for sure is triple check that you lock your your cars on a daily basis. Everywhere you go. So he's back there for a while doing a thing. I got the baby seat back there. Again, the tablet was back there. So good thing he actually emptied out the back seat pocket where I have my windshield cover, and it looks like he put it on top of it and didn't see the tablet. So that was still there. And then he walks away. I'm like, oh shoot, he took it back. I'm like, what was that? So I'm thinking to myself, and the next morning when I look, the tablet was still there. So I'm like, okay, good. I'm like, well, what did he take? What did I leave in there? Again, my main concern was I had a little bit of cash, but he didn't seem to find that. In the tablet, I'm like, he for sure took the tablet, but the tablet was there in the morning. It was underneath my windshield visor because he must have did that by accident. And I got lucky and he didn't see it, so good. But I'm like, what did he take? And then I see, oh, he took my COVID mask. He took my hair gel. I'm like, my lunch pail or my lunch container, my multi-use fork and fork, my Listerine and hand sanitizer. I'm like, what? So I'm walking down the block seeing this stuff. It's like a trail of stuff. My chapstick, my toothbrush, and yup, he took my freaking lunch bag. What a loser.